Alright, hello everyone, it's Team Rocket Dross here with another Pokemon card opening. And for this video, guys, we're gonna be opening the Silvally figure collection box. So it includes a little figurine at the top, and it's a little bit bigger than the screen, so I apologize for that. And then it also comes with the card. I don't know if it's a promo card, to be honest, but it does include 4 packs, I believe. And I ended up getting this. Sorry, I hit the mic right there. I always do that, guys, so you guys need to get used to that. So if you guys want to read the back a little bit, you guys can pause the video, but it does come with the foil promo card, so it is a promo card. And then the figurine, 4 TCG Pokemon cards, and so on. So let me open it really quick. All right, there we go, guys. So I ended up hitting everything, so I apologize. The thing is that my mic, guys, it's really sensitive, so it'll pick up everything. And here's the code card. Here's the actual card, guys. It's a little bit warped, unfortunately, but it is a promo card. It's Sun and Moon 64, Silvally, Gear Scan, and Xyzor, which is actually really cool. Something that I'm doing from now on, guys, or I'm at least try, is that every time that I do buy one of these boxes, for example the Gyarados here in the back or anything like this, the Silvally, the Kingdra that we opened, I'm gonna try to buy 2. I'm gonna end up keeping 1 for my collection, and then I'm gonna end up opening 1 on video. So it's something that I'm gonna do from now on, because I want to collect the actual product, not just the cards. So that's the promo card right there. And then we also have the little figurine. It's actually pretty cool. So I'm starting to have a lot now. I have some of the ones from Generations, the Charizard, Venusaur, and Blastoise. I have like a Darkrai. I got 2 Darkrai's. I have a few of these figurines already, guys, but it's actually really cool. I'm just gonna add them all around my desk, and yeah, just have a little collection. So we're just gonna set that aside. And then it also came with this right here, the Pokemon Center. See more at PokemonCenter.new. And it just shows you some of the stuff that you're able to get on there. For example, plushies, figurines, caps, and drinkware. So something that I actually bought recently that I haven't probably talked about, and for sure not shown, I ended up buying a figurine, a Blastoise figurine, guys, which is really cool. It's actually really big. Something that I'm getting from now on. For example, we got Naruto figurine over here, and yeah, the second Hokage, if you guys don't know. So I really like Naruto as well, so it's something that I'm buying a lot now, just little figurines just as a display, as well as Dragon Ball Z. We got the dragon over here, so it's something that I'm doing. It's just I really like figurines, and yeah, it's something that I'm gonna be collecting just as a display. That's why I'm buying the Pokemon cards, guys, because I want to use those as display as well. So you guys can get those there. And then it obviously comes with 4 packs. So we ended up getting Crimson Invasion, Evolutions, Asian Origins, and 2 Crimson Invasions. There we go. So let's get it started. And yeah, so let me just put the actual promo card. Actually, I'll put it back here. And this is something else that I'll be opening. I got a Gyarados Hidden Fates. Probably within a couple videos I'll be opening that one. The reason I'm opening that one, I actually bought it just to collect it, guys, but the problem was that it came damaged during shipping. They didn't ship it properly. Instead of shipping it in a box, they shipped it on a bubble wrapper, and yeah, obviously they put something heavy on top during shipping, or somehow it got dented in the back, and I was looking to actually collect it, not you know what I mean, not open it. So unfortunately that's a thing. There we go. The seller was actually really cool. So this was X and Y, right? I don't even know what it was. Crimson Invasion, Sun and Moon. Nope. Yeah, I completely got that wrong, guys. I completely got that wrong. So let's start off. So we're gonna start off with the Flareon, Special Energy, Rodom, Cottony, Larvesta. We got a Meowth, Goomy, a Beldum. Our reverse is gonna be a Sceptile Spirulink, which is an uncommon, and for our rare and first card of the pack is gonna be a rare Berizion. So I kind of saw it ahead of time. I don't know if you guys were able to catch it, but yeah, we ended up getting that. So it's actually really cool. This is gonna be our first card, or at least my first pick for favorite art of the video. So let me just use this right here. And let me actually get that. It seems like there's some plastic residue from the sleeve from when they made it. Good thing it's not on the actual sleeve. But there we go, guys. So let's just put that aside over there. And if you guys don't know, every video that we do, thanks to Robot, we're going to be, what was that, Ancient Origins? I think that was Ancient Origins. We're gonna be choosing favorite art, guys, just because this is based on a drawing channel. We're gonna choose our favorite art of the video, and then I'll let you guys know which one was my favorite. So make sure to choose which card was your favorite art wise, and let me know in the comment section why. But like I was talking about the box, guys, I ended up messaging the seller, just letting him know, like, I was mad, but I wasn't like furious about it. And I let them know, hey, like, you know, maybe you should ship them in boxes and not in this, because it came damaged. And he was actually really cool about it. He asked me, he wanted to sell me like another one half price, and I would have taken it, guys, but I felt bad. You guys are gonna say, like, why wouldn't you do it? So I was basically gonna get an extra one for $20, but I said no because I felt bad. Like, I wasn't like too concerned about it being damaged, although it was gonna be a collectible, but it was like whatever. I felt really bad, guys, and I didn't want to do that. Dashing Punch, Fighting Memory, Undower, Spoink, Mischievous. I've never seen this one. This is actually a really cool card. Pikachu, Chimecho. Our reverse is gonna be an Aggron, and did I do this wrong? And I did. We got a Fire Energy in the back, and which is a rare, which is actually a really cool card. So this is Crimson Invasion, sorry. And for a rare and final card is gonna be a regular rare Cacturn. So not that bad, guys. That's actually really cool. We got a reverse rare. It's something that I noticed that we're getting more often than not. You know what I mean? So that's actually really cool. And yeah, guys, so I'm gonna oh yeah, so I was saying, so I ended up buying another one, just 'cause, like I said, I do want to collect this. So I ended up buying another one in a bid that I ended up winning with the Raichu box. I ended up getting them for $40, or yeah, 40 or 50 for both, which is really good, right? And yeah, so since I got the other one already, I decided to open the damaged one. So here's a code card. So this is gonna be open in a video shortly. So this one does have 4. So hopefully we get something good in that, guys. We're still going for the Charizard. And something else that I ended up getting, I mentioned that a while ago, I ended up pre-ordering 6 tints from Hidden Fates, and I ended up getting, so it's 2 art sets of each, which is really cool, guys. I'll be opening maybe a couple of those. Diggersby, Mankey, Aaron, Corphish, Ghastly. There's a lot of cool arts. Like, there's so many I could switch, but I'm just gonna keep Virizion in the back. So our reverse is gonna be Lusamine, which is an uncommon. And for our final card, no way, there we go, guys, we ended up getting a really cool an ultra rare. We ended up getting, who did we get? Oh, we ended up getting Lusamine as well. So if you guys weren't aware, if I'll be posting up the price of all the cards that I get, if they're worth more than $3. And yeah, so I don't know how much this is worth right now. Imagine it's worth like around $10. Like I said, I'm not too familiar with this. So we got the regular, we actually got the reverse of the card, and then we ended up getting the full art. So put 2 in any combination of supporters and stadium cards from your discard pile into your hand. So I don't know how much you would be able to play this. Put 2 in any combination of supporters and stadium cards from your deck. That's interesting, right? So we're just gonna set this aside. That's actually really cool. I wasn't even aware that this was gonna be an ultra rare. Usually I get like a good view of it, but it seems like it's good. Nice. We're getting a really good pull. Let's see if I can put this in here. So I think it's we're 2 for 3, 2 for 4, I mean, and we got 1 more to go, so not bad. So now for the last pack, we have Evolutions, which is one of my favorite sets. And the thing is that this set is going up in price, so if I'm gonna buy more packs, I need to do it quick. So here's the code card, guys. 1, 2, 3, I believe. They don't have energy, so we're gonna start off with Brock's Griff, Slowbro Spiraling. We got Magmar, Seal, Nidoran, Ponyta, Dodo, Pikachu. Ooh, there we go. I don't have a a reverse dark energy, so that's actually really cool. And for a rare and final card of the pack is gonna be a regular rare Farfetch, unfortunately. But let me actually sleeve this energy up, guys. I don't have this one, so it's actually pretty cool. Man, these look amazing. I really love these. I need to make my my folder, but overall, guys, I think we did pretty good in this box. I mean, we ended up with the Lucamine supporter full art, which is really cool. We ended up getting a Hollow Virizion, and then we obviously got the promo card and a reverse energy, dark energy. So I think we did decent. I think we did better than we could have done, right? Than what could have happened. So overall, I think I liked it, guys. I'll post a comment on the video, or not a comment, but an actual price for the actual box at the beginning, just in case you guys were interested in getting it. But I think that's gonna be it for this video, guys. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more videos, and I guess I'll just catch you guys on the next one. Team Rocket Draws out.